Hi, I'm Lyle Block, a consultant at Caterpillar. Today I'm going to be talking about Powertrain Guarantee CVAs for mining and some common questions with this customer value agreement. Question 1. Is dealer labor required for planned maintenance, also known as PMs? Dealer labor is not required for this CVA. As long as you're using 100% Cat parts for maintenance, the labor is something you can do. Just make sure it meets the timing requirements for PM completion and accuracy. Also note, while dealer labor is not required for PMs, it is required for the identified midlife repairs within the program guide. This allows the dealer to work with you for planned interventions to complete required midlives and minimize unplanned downtime. Question 2. What's the difference between tiered CVA offers prorated and plus? The prorated offering includes reimbursement of covered components for life not achieved through the agreement. This is a value assurance offering provided for the off-highway truck and large wheel loaders product groups. The key difference between offerings, besides prorated support for parts and labor, is a CVA is dealer-led. This means the dealer will create a CVA that meets the customer's needs while leveraging dealer capabilities, staying within the program requirements. The prorated CVA also offers flexibility in terms of SOS, condition monitoring, and compliance oversight. Moving to the Powertrain Guarantee CVA Plus with limited powertrain EPP takes it a step further and offers full coverage for parts and labor on rotative parts within the powertrain for the life of the agreement. The CVA Plus requires enrollment in Cat condition monitoring and compliance management that's provided through Caterpillar, which gives oversight and recommendation throughout the term of the Equipment Protection Plan, or EPP. The goal is for customers to realize the greatest value from their equipment investment by gaining a more valuable relationship with Caterpillar and Cat dealers. Question 3. Can this be used as a combo coverage with other EPPs? Yes, both tiers of the Powertrain Guarantee CVA can be combined with EPP. Speak to your machine and insurance reps to see how the coverages can be combined. Thanks for your interest in the Powertrain Guarantee CVA for mining. As always, you can work with your Cat dealer to learn more about solutions for your operation.